General significance of Arudra Darshan. Arudra Darshan is celebrated in the Tamil month of Margazhi, coinciding with December-January. This day falls on the full moon night of this month when the Tiruvadurai star rules over Arudra. Notably, this happens to be the longest night of the year. Arudra is a star that symbolizes golden red flame, which is none other than Lord Shiva at his cosmic dance. The main highlight of the occasion is having the darshan of Shiva as Nataraj, the god at his cosmic dance. Arudra Darshan is a very grand event happening in the Shiva temples, especially where the image of Nataraj is installed, dancing Shiva. This is a festival celebrated with great fervor and celebrity in Chidambaram, a temple dedicated solely to Nataraj in Tamil Nadu. It is considered highly auspicious and beneficial to view the procession of Lord Nataraj on this day. All day long, there are holy baths and pujas conducted in the temples, and at the end of the day, a special sweet dish known as Kali is distributed to devotees. Lord Nataraj facilitates a cosmic dance, that is, the universe comes into existence through movement. The cycle of births and deaths go on with the movement symbolized by the cosmic dance of Shiva. Lord Shiva dances in ecstasy and smears ash all over his body to indicate that everything in the universe is bound to change and destruction with the passage of time. Lord Nataraj stands in the dancing posture with one leg lifted and the other one seated on the Ashura, evil, signifying ignorance. Thus, he indicates mastery over ego, desires, and evil. He holds all the five elements in him, symbolized through Damaru, ether, flowing hair, air, flame in hand, fire, Ganges, water, and rested foot, earth. Thus, the Lord is the supreme head of the universal forces, and he releases them to make the worlds during creation and take them all inside during absorption. Astrology significance of Arudra Darshan. This year, the Arudra Darshan is falling on December 30, 2020 on Wednesday. The Tiruvadurai Nakshatram begins at 5:32 p.m. on December 29, 2020 and ends on 6:55 p.m. on December 30, 2020. Today, the day Lord Mercury is in the invincible and the unconquerable Purvashada Nakshatra together with the Sun, giving rise to the splendid Buddha Aditya Yoga. This means we can attain success, name, fame, and recognition through our immense intellect and wisdom today. Today, the moon is in Arudra Nakshatra, which symbolizes destruction and rebirth. That's why the ruling deity of this nakshatra is Lord Shiva in his fiercest form of Lord Rudra. Also, Mercury and the Sun are in mutual aspect with the moon today, which means that we can be very intelligent today and we can use our intellectual mind and willpower to get rid of our weaknesses, doubts, and confusion. And we can get mental clarity and confidence to achieve anything we want if we pray to Lord Shiva today and obtain his blessings.